In this video, I'll show you how to fix Instagram's share list not showing your recent friends. If the people appearing in your share list are not the friends you've recently messaged or interacted with, there are a few things you can try. First, open the Play Store or App Store and search for Instagram. If an update is available, install it. Using an outdated version of Instagram can sometimes cause issues with the share list and messaging features. Once the update is complete, reopen Instagram and check if your recent friends are now appearing in the share menu. If the issue persists, tap the share button on a post or reel. When the sharing options appear, tap More, then select Instagram Messages. This will open your Instagram chats directly, allowing you to choose the person you want to send the content to even if they aren't showing in the share list. You can then select the conversation and send the post normally. If you're still having trouble, try clearing Instagram's cache from your device settings and then reopening the app. And that's how to fix Instagram's share list not showing recent friends. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.